In the history of space exploration, some events stand out not just for their magnitude, but for the profound lessons they leave behind. Today, we take you on a journey into the tragic tale of the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster. A day that forever altered our understanding of spaceflight safety. Welcome back to Shadows of Disaster, where we journey into the darkest moments of history to shed light on the lessons they leave behind. In this gripping episode, we delve into the heart-wrenching story of the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster. Join us as we unravel the events, explore the profound human spirit that propelled these brave astronauts into space, and uncover the invaluable lessons that forever changed the course of space exploration. The Space Shuttle Columbia, designated OV-102, was the vanguard of NASA's Space Shuttle program. In the early days of this groundbreaking initiative, the program was brimming with aspirations and hopes of scientific discovery. Columbia, the very first shuttle orbiter, was entrusted with pioneering missions. Columbia's construction, rollout, and early missions were captured in these historical photos. It was a time of optimism, as NASA ventured into reusable spacecraft, changing the way humans reached for the stars. But on February 1, 2003, during mission STS-107, a shadow would fall upon the shuttle program. These images capture the shuttle's liftoff on January 16, 2003, but they don't tell the whole story. 73 seconds into launch, a piece of foam insulation dislodged from the shuttle's external tank, striking the left wing. The damage was subtle, nearly invisible in these images, but it had devastating consequences, as we shall see immediately. As Columbia re-entered Earth's atmosphere after 16 days in space, disaster struck. These images capture the shuttle's descent and the final moments of the crew. The re-entry was a perilous phase of the mission. Superheated gases penetrated the shuttle's left wing, causing structural damage. On the morning of February 1, 2003, as the world watched, the shuttle disintegrated into a fiery explosion. Columbia began its re-entry at 8:44:09 a.m., experiencing damage to its left wing's thermal protection system. Debris shedding was observed over California as the orbiter crossed the coast. At 8:58:39 a.m., the crew received indications of a problem with the left landing gear. Loss of signal occurred at 8:59:32 a.m., and contact with Columbia was lost. The orbiter entered a flat spin, leading to a catastrophic breakup at 9:18 a.m. All onboard data recording ceased, and debris impacted the ground by 9:35 a.m. Mission Control initially expected communication outages and was unaware of the breakup until later. If we talk about crew survivability, during re-entry, all 7 crew members were killed. Their exact time of death was uncertain. The first lethal event was depressurization, occurring no later than 9:59 a.m. Crew members experienced rotations and potential upper body trauma. Helmets and harnesses failed to provide adequate protection. Thermal trauma occurred as hot gas entered the module. After separation, astronauts faced extreme environmental conditions. Their bodies impacted the ground with lethal force, resulting in their deaths. Contingency procedures were initiated when news of the orbiter's breakup was received. Despite their training, the crew could do little to alter the course of events. The images we have of this moment capture the profound loss and helplessness of that tragic day. These were 7 remarkable individuals, dedicated to the advancement of science and the exploration of space. Their loss was felt not just by their families and colleagues but by a world that had come to admire their bravery and their commitment to pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. In the aftermath, a meticulous investigation revealed a failure to fully understand the risks and address the foam strike, leading to catastrophic consequences. This tragedy became a pivotal moment in the history of space exploration. The Space Shuttle Columbia disaster ushered in a new era of spaceflight safety. The shuttle program was retired, and lessons from this tragedy continue to influence space exploration. Safety, communication, and a renewed focus on crew resource management became paramount. Thank you for joining us on this journey into history, and we invite you to explore more episodes of Shadows of Disaster, where we unravel the untold stories of our world's most profound and unforgettable moments. See you next time.